In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a view in Airtable. Locking a view is really useful when you've carefully set up filters, sorting, groups, or hidden fields, and you don't want other collaborators to accidentally change that layout. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to protect a view so it stays consistent for everyone using your base. First, open your browser and go to your Airtable dashboard. This is the main page you see after logging in, where all your workspaces and bases are listed. Take a second to locate the base that contains the view you want to lock. Click on that base to open it. You should now see your tables along the top and your different views listed on the left-hand side. Next, you want to make sure you're working in the correct view, usually a grid view. Grid view is the standard spreadsheet-like layout. In the view sidebar on the left, look for the grid view you want to lock and click on it to make it active. The active view is the one highlighted, and its name will also appear at the top left of the table area. Now that you're in the right place, move your mouse over the name of that view in the sidebar. When you hover over it, you'll see some additional options appear. One of these options relates to making it a collaborative or locked view. Look for the option that mentions locking the view and click on it. This is how you start the process of protecting that particular layout from changes. A small window will pop up asking you to type in the reason for locking the view. This note is optional in some cases, but it's a good habit to use it. Type a short explanation, like standard reporting layout or do not change filters. This helps teammates understand why the view is locked and discourages people from unlocking it without a good reason. Once you've entered your reason, look for the button that confirms the action labeled Lock View. Click on that. Airtable will now apply the lock to this view. You'll see a small lock icon next to the view name, which tells you it's protected. With the view locked, collaborators won't be able to change things like filters, sorting, field visibility, or grouping unless they unlock it again. That way, your